Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, I was hoping to have a little bit more time with this one before I did a video on release day because it releases today, but apparently USPS, probably the weather, had other plans. Yeah, it was actually supposed to be here last Monday, and I didn't get it until, Well, it was while we were gone. So, yeah. While we were visiting the kids, it showed up. So, you know what? We're going to do an unboxing, and we're going to experience this one together, because I have not seen it yet. Of course, I am talking about yet another release from RoseCraft. This is the Barren Fork Jack. Very nice. This is the first sample from round 7 of the denim micarta. Look at that. That's nice. Let's see. There we go. We'll just do it the easy way. Knock it out. But oh yeah, check this out. Now there is something really kind of cool about this one. We'll get to that one in a minute. We've got the diamond shield. Oh my goodness. I know we've had the heart. I know we've had the spade. We've had to have the diamond before. I'm almost sure we have, but of course there's been... Andy keeps putting these out, and I can't remember. There's got to have been a diamond. I think so. Anyway, denim micarta, diamond shield. Very, very nice. Oh, we got some schmutz. Some schmutz? Yeah, schmutz. I knew it was just schmutz. Very nicely done. I mean, oh my goodness. As always, those pins are fantastic. That is some really, really cool denim micarta. If you're a fan of denim micarta, that is like the epitome of it right there. The Barren Fork Jack. Now we've got a square end jack, as Andy calls it. Now it's based on a very old design or pattern from Joseph Allen and Sons of Sheffield. And that is where he got the inspiration for this specific pattern, which is pretty cool. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. There we go. But very cool. I mean, the construction, always top notch. Very, very cool. Loving it. I am feeling nothing out of the ordinary on this knife. I mean, I'm trying to find something, but you guys know RoseCraft and their QC, I tell you what, it's pretty much second to none. You've got a long pole for opening. Okay, that's got a solid pull, guys. That's close to a 7. That's close to a 7. Oh, I like that blade. And there's something very special about this blade. We're going to turn it over. We're probably going to take a sticker off, which we are. We're going to throw that sticker away, if it'll come off my finger. Yeah, if it'll come off. Okay, it did. It come off. But I'm going to flip this over, guys. Check it out. What do you guys see that's different? Yeah, buddy. 14C28N. This is their first model not using D2. They're using 14C on this model. Why? Well, Andy said you guys asked for it. So, he wants to deliver. So, another single-bladed knife. It does have a very nice half stop. Oh, man, it snaps into that half stop. And it comes shut fantastic. Like I said, though, it's probably close to a 7 on the pull. In my determination. That's definitely not gospel by any means. Nice, solid opening. The blade, man, Andy just keeps knocking it out of the park. Now, of course, I don't have a cut test on it. Like I said, this is just our first... my first glance at it, your first glance at it with me. So, yeah, I don't have a cut test. Am I worried? Not really. Maybe I'll have to do one and put it up here later on in the week so you guys can see it. Yeah, I'll probably try to get that done before we take off on Wednesday. I'll try to get a cut test done. Maybe I'll go down and do it right after this. Maybe I'll post it this afternoon. That's what I'll do. I'll go down, I'll do a cut test. Stand by for cut test, guys. It'll come this afternoon. It will post this afternoon, probably at 1 p.m. Pacific time For you East Coasters, that'd be 4 p.m. So we'll see how it does. I have no problem. It'll do fine. I have no worries. Now, this guy is coming in at $61.99. Now, also, RoseCraft, unlike the last couple of models they've done, RoseCraft will have stock. The dealers did not buy all up their stock, or they had more made of this one, so they'd have stock, whatever the case may be. But it will be available on the RoseCraft site. And as always, use code BigRedEDC at RoseCraft Blades. Saves you 10%. I know a lot of you like to buy them from Austin over at TPK. Well, if you do that, just use BigRed10. You can also save 10%. So what's that? It's like $62. That gets you $6.20 off. You're going to get it for like $55, $56. So very, very nice. I think that's very reasonable for what Andy and the crew over at RoseCraft puts out. Absolutely awesome. So let's do a quick spec check on it, and then I'll give you a little taste of some of the stuff that's coming up. So we've got 6.5 inch handles, probably just a hair more than 3.5. So the blade's going to come in just shy of 3. Cutting edge is going to roll in at about 2.5. Of course, you know, grip length, you've got a full grip length. If you got even more, if you want to get up on that kick a little bit, for sure. But if I come back a little bit, that's how it just lays so nicely in my hand. Got a little bit of a swell. You know, it kind of widens out or narrows out depending on which way you're looking at it. So very, very nice. Definitely digging it. Let's get a quick weight on it, and I'll pull the sheath out and see which one of the sheath. I bet it's the large sheath. 2.8 ounces. Let me pull out a sheath. I gotta remember which drawer they're in. Okay, I'm not doing a very good job of remembering what drawer they're in. There we go. So this is the large RoseCraft sheath. We'll get that out of there. And let's take a look. Will the large sheath be the one? Yeah, it's a little shy on the large, but I don't think the small will. The small probably won't cover everything. Let's see. There's the small. Well, no, the small is the winner. Okay. Yeah, the small RoseCraft sheath is the one that pretty much, I mean, it's right there. So that's good. Okay. So small sheath, guys. Small RoseCraft blade sheath. That's the one you want to go for if you want your RoseCraft branded sheath to go with your brand new RoseCraft blades. And of course, those are available on the RoseCraft website. That's a really, really nice looking knife. Now, I did say I was going to tease some stuff upcoming. Like I said, this is the first knife in round 7 of RoseCraft. They've got some really, really good stuff coming. Andy said that they've got their version of a Lanny's clip coming up. So those of you that are Lanny's clip fans, keep your eyes open for that. And they're coming out with another copperhead pattern. So definitely looking forward to both of those. I mean, let's be honest. I pretty much look forward to any knife coming from RoseCraft because it's going to be quality. It's going to be well made. And Andy, yeah. Yep. Definitely looking forward to it. But Andy, thank you so much for sending out the Barren fork jack, the square end jack, in, for the first time, 14C28N coming from RoseCraft Blades. Very, very cool. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.